For me is the one that resonates, where we really make sure to understand what we've got to offer, what kind of value we can add to our recipient's life.
Not intended to gain an instant sale, but rather building awareness of someone and letting them opportunity to reach out to you in the future because they know what you are good at.
It's a process that generates results for you. So if your goal is to get replies or book more meetings or get subscribers, it's a process that gets you what you want to get.
You have to ask yourself one basic question. If you will receive your own email, will you answer or at least open it or not?
When your KPIs are focused on quality, not quantity.
Whenever you send out a campaign, for example, cold email campaign, and the reply rate and the deliverability rate is quite high.
Also, it's aligned with the marketing activities because this will multiply your long-term results.
And then we're making sure to catch their attention and deliver on promise with the message that we've got. And it then resonates, hopefully, with a huge engagement.
The one that converts, definitely, but the one that brings you effect you're looking for.
For me, it's all about the meetings. After the campaign, if I have 5 to 10 meetings, it's a success for me.
Everything above 60% would be a success rate for me.
So it's better to have lower results, but in a good quality, rather than a huge volume of leads, but with no ability to reach them.